Hey everyone, this is it. This is the final December daily. It's almost done. I think I may go in and add maybe some more journaling, maybe try to add some more embellishments, even though you can see it's a bit intense already. So, you know, I have this box of things that I put together for my December daily, and I don't know what I was thinking, because I think that box has stuff in it enough to fill 10 December dailies. So yeah, it's a problem, but yeah, it's kind of done. The last edition was this little belt, I'm gonna call it. If you want to see a tutorial on how to create this, then let me know. I just wanted something to keep it a little bit under control here. Also, if you hear all the jingling, then you could have seen in my other video showing where I was till now that I added these buttons. But I had my friend Eva, hi Eva, visiting me, and she suddenly had these little bells, and I thought, well, that is just so perfect. So I added a few more here, and then we have another one here, and it's just it's so cute. And then I also had to add one here. And yeah, let's get into it. I think not a lot changed from the flip through that I did showing you kind of half my journal. I don't know if this page was done then, but this was kind of, I added it a little bit later, and I just love how it turned out. So it's just a little bit of collage of things from mostly Daphne's diary. And then this pocket, I saw Barbara from 49 Dragonflies make this. I'll try to find the corresponding video, but I love it because it's just like this pocket that you can make with one page, which is perfect for me because I hate measuring. I need simple stuff. And how cute is this? It's so cute, I know. So this I added a bit later, but then I think the rest is kind of the same. And I think we stopped in this place, which is the middle. This journal, junk journal, has 3 signatures. So I divided it to have a signature for 10 days of the month. And then also divided, you know, every half of a signature will be 5 days. So this is till the 15th. I kind of broke all those rules in the last signature, and I do regret doing that because what happened, it kind of just got a little bit uneven. So I just added more pictures, more journaling, and there's still a little bit, like, there are a few spaces here. I might go back. These are the mod prompts, and I may go back and just journal following the prompts where I have some extra space. This one I really like. This is an illustration also from Daphne's diary that I fussy cut and adhered onto a transparency. And here I could do something. This I really liked. I think Diane Reevely posted this on her Facebook, and it's by, you can see, Sarah Anderson, I guess the illustrator is, but I just love it. You can pause the screen and just read it. It's so true, I find. These are some tags that I got from Barbara and from Eva, and I love them, and so happy they're included in my journal. And now this is the 3rd signature. So I kind of did this in one sitting. I got back from my vacation, I printed all the photos from the last 10 days, and I just stuck them in. So this includes decorating the tree and Christmas Eve, and then some photos from, sorry, the lighting is so messed up because of all the foil, and our trip to Israel. So I didn't really pay attention, and what happened was that I have a lot of photos in the first half, and then the second half of the signature is a little bit empty. Anyway, not like, it's okay. So there are a lot of photos, and I still have a bit room here to add some journaling. I really kept this probably the simplest of all the signatures, and it's mostly photos because, you know, they're really nice photos. And I added some of these like tip-ins to have the possibility to add more photos. This is like what we got, like the gifts that everyone got this year. And then this is Lily with, she got 2 stuffed like unicorn stuffed animals. She was happy. And then the flight, and then Israel, and Lily got her rainbow cake. That's the cake. I did this again. I took a picture of the cake from above, I fussy cut it, and then I put it on a doily. I really like it. And then I have this beautiful illustration from Daphne's diary. This I still have to add my journaling. This is the Chanukiah, which is what we light during Hanukkah, if you're familiar with the holiday. Some family time, some meeting friends time, just protecting the privacy of people I'm not sure want to appear here. And then this kind of, I had this empty pages, so you see like the last pages of the signature, these I just glued together. And then this one was also kind of empty, so I added this little notebook that came in a Daphne's Diary magazine. And yeah, and it has like 5 pages to journal about 2019, and then 5 pages about 2020. So I filled out the 2019 part and then this one, and I'll probably fill this with some intentions, plans, hopes, dreams, whatever, for the coming year. And yeah, that's it. They are all already stitched, so I show you how to do that in another video. So they're all stitched together, like all 3 signatures. I'll show you like this, and then there's an elastic just holding them in place. And then I wanted to add the sleeve because without anything it kind of stands like this, which is not horrible, but still. So this is stuck just on one side here with just some double-sided tape, and then it goes around like this. And this was a very spontaneous and super fun thing to add to this whole thing. I would have put it in the middle, but I didn't want to cover this. It's like this weird illustration that, you know, that is embossed on the cover. So I really like how it looks. And that's it. More videos to come talking about plans for the next year. And I will be continuing to junk journal. I love it. I love this way of using my papers, magazines, and altering old books. I think this is my favorite way to bind these journals. I don't think I really want to get into creating a binding from scratch. I think using an old book really works for me. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.